I'm Joan Morace, a natural cosmetic formulator, aromatherapist, and herbalist, and I'm an instructor at Joan Morace Cosmetic School and the Formulators Lab. This is a 4-part series on how to make your own organic skincare. When you use organic and natural ingredients, your skin will start seeing results. I have made my skincare for over 25 years, and from my experience, what I would say is it really delays aging of the skin. My skin was rapidly aging. I was born and partly raised in Hawaii and California, and I was exposed to a lot of sun, and I had sun damage. And by making my own skincare formulations and customizing them for my skin with natural and organic ingredients, it delayed the aging. It smooths my skin, it evens my skin tone more, and the loss of elasticity is less, and same with fewer wrinkles. And so I'm a firm believer in using natural and organic ingredients in skincare and customizing it for your skin. Our skin, it is just the most intelligent organ. It's like if we just understood how intelligent our skin does and how it operates on its own, it's like we form a respect for our skin. It is our largest organ. It's a protective barrier for our internal organs and body, and it eliminates toxins from our body. It absorbs everything we put on it, but at what levels it absorbs it is different for the size of the molecules. But the new cells constantly replace old cells about every 24 to 40 days. Nurturing our skin to support it, to continually regenerate, that's what total skin health is. Skin contains moisture, oil, nutrition, and oxygen. In a square inch or 6.5 centimeters of skin, it contains all these nerves and glands and blood vessels and nerve fibers and cells and glands and hairs. It's incredible. Our sebum is a natural protective oily substance produced by the body. It has this antibacterial layer which helps protect us from germs and holds in moisture. And that's why it's so crucial to do whatever you can to keep your skin conditioned and moisturized and in shape, to do its job and protect us. When you formulate your own skincare line, you need to know your skin type. Normal skin, it's balanced with the oil and the moisture, which is evenly distributed. It's firm, it's vibrant, it's supple, it's blemish-free, even skin-toned, with normal-sized pore, tends to be free of lines and wrinkles, and very few people have normal skin. Essential oils and other ingredients can assist with maintaining normal skin. Dry skin, it doesn't produce enough oil. It feels tight and dry. It looks tired and dull, and it tends to have fine lines. The pores are unseen to very small. There's dehydrated skin and there's dry skin. Dehydrated skin can be confused with dry skin. It has oil, but it lacks some moisture and it looks parched. So dry and dehydrated skin, they can be sensitive. Unless it's cared for and nourished, the skin tends to wrinkle prematurely. And you can use essential oils to help with that. They're balancing, moisture enhancing, regulating, and toning, along with other natural ingredients. Oily skin, it produces too much oil because the glands are overstimulated, and it can be greasy with blemishes, and those blemishes can get infected, and there can be large and clogged pores with blackheads. It looks shiny, the texture can be thick. It can become more severe if overly cleansed, especially with harsh cleansers that remove the natural oils. The good thing about it is it doesn't wrinkle as quickly as other skin types. You can use essential oils that are balancing, antibacterial, toning, and astringent. Combination skin, it functions differently in various areas of the face. It tends to be dry around the mouth and the cheeks and the eyes, and oily in the area of the forehead and the nose. It actually should be cared for as 2 separate skin types, dry and oily. And this is where essential oils and natural ingredients can be used to customize the skincare products to address each area and bring balance to the skin type. You use essential oils that regulate, balance, and suggested for dry and oily skin. Sensitive skin is becoming so common now, and there's many things that can cause sensitive skin. It can react to allergens and detergents, preservatives, chemical irritants, specific ingredients, the sun, stress, air conditioning, heating, fluctuation in hormones. It can become extremely sensitized that even the slightest stimuli can cause a reaction. You can use essential oils that are more gentle and that are relaxing and soothing and calming. Mature skin, also called aging skin, it can show sun damage with fine lines and wrinkles, and it can lack vibrancy and moisture and show signs of pigmentation and sagging and broken capillaries. And Couperos's skin, it has tiny dilated capillaries around the nose and the cheeks, and the skin is usually dry and thin and delicate, and it's aggravated usually like with hot temperature and cold temperatures in the environment. But essential oils can help if you use mild essential oils, if you use in a low dosage, and then you can use rejuvenating, moisture enhancing, wrinkle reducing, anti-inflammatory, and ingredients that promote elasticity. Acne, it can happen at any age with any skin type, and it can be at times when hormones are fluctuating. Also, other happenings in the body. It can be from taking medications. It can be from the foods we eat. Usually it has excess oil, which causes pores to become clogged. And this overabundance of oil, it attracts bacteria, and that can cause infection, inflammation. Essential oils that can help with this, that are soothing, antiseptic, antibacterial, hormone balancing, and anti-inflammatory. There's also skin ailments, which are eczema and psoriasis, and these are conditions that really should be addressed, with an evaluation of a skincare expert, a wellness care professional, addressing the immune system, food allergies, family history of asthma, eczema, and psoriasis. In my case, there's family history of psoriasis, and I was able to cure my psoriasis by eating plant-based, and I have not had psoriasis in over 10 years. It's usually triggered by stress. There are gentle essential oils, if used in a very, very low percentage, that can help, that are anti-inflammatory, and they help to relax and soothe and calm. In part 2 of this 4-part series, I'm going to talk about superior plant oils that nourish, protect, moisturize, soften, and smooth the skin. I've worked with hundreds of plant oils over all these years, and I have my tried and true and ones that I want to share with you that are easy to source and really perform nicely on the skin.